All right, we're going with a breakfast biscuit breadstick. We've got an ice cube tray. You can repurpose this ice cube tray as a mold for this biscuit dough. So I'm gonna press this down nice and flat, and look at that. It creates beautiful wells right in your biscuit dough. I'm coating the back of this ice cube tray with butter so you can pull it out easily after you mold your wells into the biscuit dough. Just pressing this nice and gently, flatten it out, and look how satisfying that is when you pull that ice cube tray out of the biscuit dough. I'm gonna dump some sausage on here. We've got your classic breakfast ingredients here. I'm just gonna spread the sausage out to fill all of these little wells here in our biscuit dough. This is gonna be the best all-in-one breakfast that you've ever had. I've got cheddar cheese, and the cheddar cheese cubes are gonna fill right on top of the sausage, and we're gonna get them evenly incorporated into our biscuit dough here. And now eggs, cheese, and meat for a fantastic breakfast sandwich combination. You can feed this to an entire crowd. This is excellent for game day or a Sunday brunch. And now we've got all the wells filled with egg, and we're gonna top it off with a little salt and pepper to season it nicely. And after we've got the pepper on here, we're gonna take this off to the oven to bake it off at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes until it's nice and doughy on the inside and that cheese is still nice and gooey and gooey. Look at this. Back from the oven, golden brown. Gonna hit it with maple syrup to sweeten it up for an extra element of breakfast greatness to this breadstick. After we got the maple syrup, we're gonna make some hash browns now. Hash browns are gonna complete this breakfast spectacular right here. And as I'm putting the hash browns in the pan, I'm gonna spread it out to create another well. And you're gonna spread some cheddar cheese around the exterior here to seal the border of our hash browns. Sunny side up eggs are the perfect accompaniment to our breadstick, because we wanna do a little dippy action into the egg yolk once we're done. A little salt and pepper on the eggs to season them up. And afterwards, we're gonna hit it with some chives for some onion punch to this excellent breakfast spectacular. And now we've got the chives on there. The eggs are cooked perfectly, sunny side up, still runny in the middle. Let's cut this breakfast loaf into our breadsticks. Breadstick, biscuit, sausage, egg, and cheese. You've never seen anything like this before. It's nice and easy to do, and you've got the hack with the ice cube tray. We're gonna dip and try this. Spectacular.